Hello everyone, it's me Louis Carpuz. Today we're gonna go to a lot of places. We're gonna go to City Hall first. We're gonna go to Middle Quarry and go back home here in Camp Allen. So let's go. We are in Camp Allen. Camp Allen Baguio. That's already SM Baguio. This fire truck. So we are already here. Baguio City Hall. We'll pass by here. The back. We're gonna go visit Councilor Cayapas. He's one of the most well-loved public servants of the city of Baguio. We go to his office. Okay, we're leaving Baguio City Hall. We're gonna walk going to Middle Quarry. So we're gonna use this overpass. It's 9:59 AM in the morning. So our walk going to Quarry will be just like a little like 6 minutes. I'm not rushing, so let's go down. We are already here in City Camp. So we are already here, City Camp, QM to Quarry. Oh, the sun is, we have a nice sunshine. So hot, it's a good walk. We are here in that's already Lower Quarry. I love walking. That's what I want. I hate driving because it's traffic.